I bought this ONNAIS RV door lock. It's been a nightmare since I purchased it through Amazon. Amazon closed my account without my authorization, and I bought an RV refrigerator through Amazon. I bought this and $7,000 every other month on other merchandise. They closed my account. I guess they don't like a customer buying so much merchandise as I do through Amazon, so they closed my account and fucked me over. And then I bought this piece of shit lock, ONNAIS RV door lock, which is supposedly has a password. In case you lose your keys, you still can get in your RV. They give you 2 key fobs, but they only gave me 1 in the package with Amazon. And I called ONNAIS and emailed them, and they're sending me through hoops to prove that I purchased it, which I did through Amazon. It's 6 months old, and it doesn't work. I have to rip it out and get an old-fashioned door lock. Listen to the lock. It doesn't engage. Doesn't engage. So it's fucking useless. Let somebody come in and rob you because the lock ain't worth a shit. But either way, customer review, do not buy ONNAIS RV door lock because you're going to be missing half the parts. You're not going to get a proper assemble. They didn't even have the gasket for the back plate when you mount it to the door. And no key fobs. So you got to tell your wife when you come home, you have to sit outside and fucking wait until I get home. Don't buy one of these pieces of shit. I spent $159.95 on it, and I would have been better off buying a $14 Walmart manually keyed open door lock. At least I can get into my RV.